In today's video, I show you how to download and install Dropbox on your desktop, making it easier to manage your files. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. First, open your preferred browser like Google Chrome and search for Dropbox. Click on the official Dropbox.com link to go to the home page. Look for the download button for the Dropbox desktop app and click it. This will download the installer to your computer, usually in your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, double-click the setup file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts and when asked, click Run to proceed. After installation, the Dropbox app will open automatically. If you are a returning user, log in with your Dropbox credentials. If not, you can create a new account directly from the app. Once logged in, Dropbox will guide you through synchronizing files between your desktop and cloud storage. This ensures your files are secure, accessible from anywhere, and save space on your hard drive. Keep in mind that the sync may take some time depending on your internet speed and file sizes, but it's worth it. And that's it. You now have Dropbox on your desktop, ready to streamline your file management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech guides.